Finally, after a long time, we saw a biggest change in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And it's confirmed, according to leaks and rumors, Samsung has decided to change the design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is indeed getting a wider screen than the previous generation, finally putting an end to the pain that was this narrow outer screen on the previous Fold. Ice Universe has also confirmed that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 design is look like Nubia Z60 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 design is getting more squarish, kind of similar. According to leaks and rumors, Samsung is coming with a new camera sensor. Maybe Samsung is use 50 megapixel sensor in the main camera, or maybe he used 200 megapixel sensor. We are expected to see a best camera upgrade in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Surprisingly, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 first hybrid and foldable and rollable phone. When it's unfolded and on the right you can see the display can slide and expand to an even bigger tablet form. It's like having a Galaxy Z Fold Plus Ultra Edition. According to South Korean media, Samsung is planning their most advanced ring in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Unpack event. In this ring, you will able to pay for stuff using your ring thanks to NFC connection with your phone. In this ring, you will able to see a blood oxygen level. So it's all like and subscribe for more videos.